Planning a trip can be exciting, but let's face it, it can also be overwhelming. Today, I'm sharing the ultimate travel prep checklist to help you get organized and stress-free. Let's dive in. Research your destination. First things first, know where you're going. Research your destination to find out about the weather, transportation options, local customs, and key attractions. Bonus tip: check out crime stats and regional events to plan smarter. Budget like a pro. Set a budget that covers transportation, accommodations, food, and fun. Don't forget to add a cushion for surprises like baggage fees or emergency expenses, and check your credit cards for travel perks-free insurance. Language basics. Traveling somewhere with a different language. Learn a few key phrases. Apps like Duolingo or Google Translate make it super easy. For extra preparedness, pack a small translation book for offline use. Book smart. When booking flights, aim for weekdays. Flights on Mondays, Tuesdays, or Wednesdays can save you up to 12%. For accommodations, book at night for better deals. And yes, compare prices across multiple sites before committing. Back up your documents. Always have both physical and digital copies of your travel documents. This includes your passport, tickets, and booking confirmations. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. Travel insurance is key. Travel insurance may seem extra, but it's worth it. From medical emergencies to lost luggage, it's a safety net for unexpected situations. Compare plans to find the best fit for your trip. Pack like a pro. Pack essentials like medications, chargers, and local currency. Don't overpack. Stick to versatile clothing and layers. For kids, throw in snacks and activities to keep them entertained. Home prep before you leave. Before you leave, prep your home. Water plants, unplug electronics, and ask a neighbor to check your mail. Bonus: prep a freezer meal so you can skip cooking when you get back. Airport day tips. On travel day, arrive early 2 hours for domestic and 3 for international. Wear slip-on shoes and keep liquids or electronics handy for security checks. Got TSA pre-check? Even better. Final thoughts. And there you have it, your ultimate travel prep guide. Did I miss anything? Share your favorite tips in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel hacks. Safe travels.